guy.
All right, so we're back. So we're here in Texas. I can't tell you exactly where, but this customer here bought a C2 Turbo Deluxe. We have a 25 horsepower shredder, 40 horsepower granulator, 25 horsepower turbo mill, and then onto the separation table. So I'll give you guys a quick walkthrough. So this here is a single shaft, low speed, high torque shredder, a single shaft. We were running some tests earlier. We got up to 2,000 pounds an hour through this system. So the material comes out just like mulch up into the granulator. And the granulator controls the conveyor and the shredder. So once the granulator gets overloaded, it pauses the conveyor and that shredder back there. Then from there into the turbo mill right here, 25 horse. Into the blower and onto the C2 separation system. So this is essentially our C2 separation system, which is a C2 normally has the granulator and that separator back there. And what we've done is we've added the shredder with the conveyor and then the turbo mill. The turbo mill helps a lot with the fine wires. And then on the back end here, we put the conveyor. With the magnetic head pulley, and you can see the chops down here. Right, that's money right there, and that's it. So we got the thing set up. We ran some tests, and that's it for now.